and the small screen.
Yeah.
Oh, goodness, this should make us proud. From the dusty streets of KwaMashu to the bright city lights of New York and beyond. Goodness, uMakashaka. Uhlele eduze kweinhliziyo zethu uMakashaka. Oh, goodness, the goosebumps. The beauty, the talent.
Yeah.
Oh, she's God favorite.
The heart.
She starred in a movie that I loved as a kid growing up that may have actually had a huge influence in my becoming a comedian. Coming to America.
Oh, yes.
The latest installment of Coming to America, she was there.
Amazing
I was
work.
like, what? Nomzamo Mbatha, welcome to Gaga CFM once again. Good morning to you.
Nice
Nice to be here. Listen, man, it's such a pleasure always seeing you doing these things. It's like ngathi wasekhaya. I mean, indlela ngivele ngijabule ngakhona.
I mean, I know we're technically family.
You're practically family, you know this?
Yeah, we are, because you're like Tommy's with my mom.
Futhi was
Felix.
gosh. Her mom is actually big chums
No, my mom
with my big sister.
Is the one who wants to be young, guys.
Okay, nice one. Nice
Kahle hle nomzamo konke sizakhuluma naye. Unako ukubizwa ngamakoti wena athi ngumkhwenyana. Bathi ngumkhwenyana. Kodwa ngishiya kuwena ke leyo ngishiya uyangazi ngicula.
Number 3.
Stop wena. So, man, let's talk about what you did last year. Last year, I mean, yakubona konke with your accolades, I think they're everywhere. Everyone knows. Everyone's super proud. But wait a minute. You did Hollywood, and you're like, no, it was no fluke. And then you did it again alongside Bruce Willis.
Sure.
How was that experience like for you?
Oh, it was unbelievable. It was unbelievable. I mean, you know, for me, it was such a reminder just to be able to be on a set with Umuntu who literally changed blockbuster filming.
Yes.
You know, where it was like, now we have action films, and to like rake in hundreds of millions of dollars, you know, possibly billions of dollars in this, to be able to share a screen with that person and share time with him, and knowing that that was Bruce Willis's very last film. So for me, it was just another way of uNkulunkulu ukuthi angiremind ukuthi ngiyazi sometimes we just ngibheki ngakwena, but you know, keep going. I'm planting seeds. So it was amazing. It was a great experience. I shoot to Alabama in the South, and I'd never been to Alabama. It was a nice, beautiful crew, great cast, and great director. Jay.
Yeah.
Just a fantastic experience.
Just because I'm post.
Yes, Samo, I want us to touch on this really quickly. I've been watching your keynote addresses, and they always turn into like motivational speeches that touch abantu abasha kakhulu. And I love the one where you were talking about how inspired you were about the legend to Siyabonga Nomvete. Every time he'd go home and his fancy car, and then this would be the little Zamo going, Yaznam Gelingilanga, Yaznam Gelingilanga. You've now arrived as when late Tembis, right? How cognizant are you, Ngohambo Lako? Because now there's another young person that looks at you and goes, that's my dream. You know?
Yes, into engayisho is knowing that I'm such a worker bee. I always say that. And I am so careful about Lelo Gamu, I've arrived. Because I never think that we truly arrived. It is the energy of impilo. It is the thing that gives us purpose to always know what we never truly arrive. But uNkulunkulu and abantu bakithi have always been the ones who give us that purpose to say, push the goalpost. That's what I call it. The goalpost ngiyibeka ku-8, ngifika ku-8, angiyiphushe ngiyibeke ku-12. Mengifika ku-12 ngiyayiphusha futhi ngiyibeke ku-15. So I haven't even arrived. Yabona izinto ezenzeka even manje engingakwazi nani ukuthi ngikhulume ngazo. Izinto ezingikhumbuzayo ukuthi sisi uyabona ukuthi it can get even bigger.
Sure.
So abantu abasha I always say ukuthi nina, you know, you mustn't fall into the trap of thinking ukuthi nina yabona mase ngithola u2 million ayike sengi-right. Kanti kuningi okusazaza emhlabeni, kuningi ama-opportunities that you're still going to be able to experience. What you have to do for yourself in your life, for your own dreams, is to continue to just stretch the goalpost. Most ufile kuleyo goalpost uthi okay uphasile matric, stretch-a ke goalpost uthi ngifuna i-honors-ke manje. Mekuthiwa ufuna ukuyofunda futhi, stretch the goalpost ukuthi ngifuna uyoqala ibhizinisi lami. You understand? So it's constantly just being hungry for growth and having inkani ngamaphupho akho, which is what I always say, which is having the audacity, you know?
Wait, now, the way you move gracefully as Unandi. Now, I want, yes, because as a kid growing up, we watched Ushaka Lo Kala.
Yes.
Now, when we remake Yashaka, there's new actors, there's new energy, there's Platina, we are culturists and traditionalists. So, born Umakunya, Chapkumtania, Intombazane inje, Unando Selangin, but she was feisty, she was persecuted. She's basically a martyr. Now, no Uzodlala Ushaka. And siyazi ushaka influence eningi wayithola kuma wakhe uNandi nangu uNandi namhlanje. I understand you guys are shooting season 3, but we haven't even seen season 2.
No, that's a lie.
Is it a lie?
Guys, we're not shooting season 3.
I'm glad you straightened that out.
We are shooting season 2. Nakona 40. Nakoni Multi-Choice, we're very grateful. Last year made the announcement after, we launched and went into the market, abantu bayithanda, and they said we are committing to season 2. And so sinikeni isikhathi, mina njengoba dusho nje ukuthi I move gracefully. I'm not a person othanda uku-announce izinto. Umsebenzi wami uyayikhulumela. So nje ngiba naleyo mahloni, because I'm just like akukhuluma umsebenzi awuwona ofanele ucace. Even noma ku-announce ukuthi uNomzamo uyi-executive producer kuShaka uzosebenza namanye ama-producer, it was the first time ngiba into leyo position yokuba yi-EP, so nakhona ngayithulela ngathi nizobona ngomsebenzi njengoba nakhona-ke futhi njengoba-ke senibonile u-season 1. For us it was so important ukuthi ukukhombisa ukuthi ena lento eyokuthi ena abantu besifazane in Zululand bayacindezelwa mhlambe into eyafika nabelungu, but back in the day the true kingmakers were the queens. Mekukhulunywa ngomthaniya, kwelika Mthaniya, you know what I mean? Akusho ukuthi kwelika Ngomane, akusho njalo, or kwelika Dingiswayo, kwelika Mthaniya. So it's got to make you think about how strategic Mkabayi, who said ukuthi ubaba kumele, and so for us to be able to play that and to show the strength of a woman, for the first time we see Utanandi, what was she like as a 16-year-old, so for us it was really just important to reiterate, integrate that messaging about how important the female structure is within our beautiful land and within our beautiful culture.
I wish we could go on for longer, but we're out of time. But I just want to say this to you. You make us so proud.
Absolutely.
We are proud of you, Nomzamo. You have no clue. You have no clue.
I do, because every time it's Bonana, it's always love.
Yeah.
And you have no idea. Industry, you would know. It's hard for us to say, well done, congrats, ban,
Yeah.
And so Motola Leo motivation from Abantu that you share an industry with, young motivator now to continue building. Doma, now I have a beautiful partnership with the African Bank. I never knew that I could go into banking. Now go get a degree, accounting. The goalpost, Buffett, we're pushing the goalpost, and I'm always so happy to chat to you guys. Hopefully one day in the biggest studio.
Yeah, there is Nomzamo Mbatha. Search, find and follow, subscribe, support, do everything. She's one of us. Yes. She's one of our own. She comes from our shows. She's now doing big things. As she does that, she empowers us also and the young kids. I didn't know you could sing.
I can't.
Well, we'll find out in just a second.